Now this is one of the frames that we're going to take for the harvest. A very small harvest. We're only going to take a small amount. So yeah, there's one bee there. I just want to remove those. Put that in there. Bees. And we've just got to cut off the top to remove the wax caps from all the cells. So we can extract the honey from the cells. So like that. To there. Cool. Turn that a little around. This is the third and final frame of our harvest. Each hive has 9 harvestable frames. We've just taken 3 from one hive. Oh wow. That's the real deal. Oh, even the perfume from it is just... That's amazing. Lesson number 1. Put 4 frames into the extractor, not 3.
That's right, that's right.
Or even 2, but even then, you know, we've still got 1 frame left over. And you can see the comb is completely, I mean it's still a little bit shiny with honey, but they're pretty empty. All the cells have been stripped of the honey. And in the bottom of the extractor there is all of the honey. So we have this honey from when we took the wax cappings off, and this honey, like that, beautiful. So it's got like all the, it's got wax in it, as you can see, it's unfiltered. So now we put it through this filter, and this is the result of 3 frames. It's more than I expected, isn't it?
Yes.
You could get like, you know, 6 baguettes and then just wipe it with fresh baguettes and then wipe it clean. I mean, that would be the French way, surely. Okay. Oh, I got a little tiny dribble on the side there.
It was more like...
Is it full enough?
How many you have, Yenten?
Just need a little...
How many you have? 1, 2, 6, 9, 11, 13. This is the 14th
That's
one.
14.
Yeah.
Still 14. And in the bottom of this bucket, you can see there's quite a bit left.
Yeah.
So I think I've definitely got 20.
Cool.
When you just, when the marching, it actually stuff.
Well, yeah, like during the training also. I was quite anxious, but after training now, like wishing. And then the marathon itself, like I enjoyed it at the beginning. I mean, yeah, straight for it.
And I've been running for 4 hours in a row, it's like unbelievable.
Yeah, so like at the end you take like 1 week before. It was really good. So I like party, hard. Yeah, I just
Yeah, thank you.
I shouldn't have
That's great, huh? Nice colour. And it's just the nylon filter, so it's still got a little bit of wax in there, you know? Just a little tiny bit, just to give it a little bit of clarity. Supermarket honey, you'd have it be filtered and filtered and filtered and filtered and filtered till it's practically really clear. Done. So we got 20 and 20 jars and then still some left over.